Okay, come. Sit. Okay, so Max and I will do an example of loose leash walking and show you how we get him used to paying attention to us. So right now, come on Max, we can have a little steady walk, and if he starts pulling, we basically turn around and go in the other direction. So right now he's still loose, so I'm okay. He's a bit far forward for what I would like, but I'll deal with that for now because we're still a bit early on. So as long as he's paying attention, hey, good boy. And every time he looks up at me, I'm going to give him a bit of cheese. So, good boy. Max, come. Max. So you can see every time he's looking at me, he's basically getting a reward, which is a good thing because if he's walking next to me, I want him to look up at me. So right now, it's not ideal because I'm holding a selfie stick and recording. So I've got one hand free. Normally I'll have this behind me, which is actually a bit closer to me. But for the purposes of this, it'll be fine. So we'll do a little mini walk. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm a little pee. Good boy, Max. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Change it. Okay. He's hearing a funny noise, so he's been distracted. Max. Max. Good boy. Okay, so there you can see he's walking nice and loosely, and that's a good thing. When as soon as he gets excited like he is now, we're basically going to turn around. I just give him a little pop on the leash. So that means because he's walking away from us, he's getting a little pull on his leash on his neck, which lets him know that if you're heading away from me, it's not a good thing. You want to be next to me. Good boy. As he looked up to me there, he gets a treat. And it's just string cheese that we're using. Come on, Max. And I want to give him as little commands as possible. At the moment, we are in a rear garden kind of setup where it's really quiet. So that's a good thing. But we do have two main roads and distractions. So slowly, we're introducing him to these because if it works here, it's fine. But that does not mean it will work on a busy road because clearly there'll be more distractions going on. So we have to slowly start again and then do this on a busy road. Come Max. Sometimes if he's too interested in something, oops, see that pull there, so we're going to turn around. Come. Come, Max, come. Let's do a little. Come here. Come here. Good. So now I'm teaching him to sit right next to me. So when we stop, he kind of does a circle and comes and sits next to me like he is now. And then, okay, come on. Oops, too much of a pull. So it's basically doing this at steady speed, relaxing, not rushing, and it would be fine. Because repetition is the main thing. Oh, okay, so he's gone off to a different side there, which I don't want. So we have to go back to the side where we want him. Just use the leash to give him a bit of indication that he needs to be on the left side. But yeah, so we're just going to be doing this for a little while. Take breaks, let him refresh, and then do it again. And don't stop only when he fails. So if you do it for too long, that's bad. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, something like that is perfect. So now he's getting really distracted, so we'll have a little break and I'll do another session. Max, come. Max, come. Come. There's a couple of cars now, so there's a lot more distraction, so you can see how that affects his attention. Okay, so that's it. We're going to cut this here because he did really well for this session. Max, come on, let's go. We'll have a little rest and then do a couple of more of these.